Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, matching numbers, 396 car with AC, guys. This is the factory color combination. Love this color combo. Factory burgundy. It's got the white vinyl top, the parchment interior. Just something that when you've been doing this as long as I have, you just don't see cars in this color combo. Very nicely done. Got a lot of history behind this car. Matter of fact, I actually just talked to the gentleman who owned this car yesterday. He owned it for 22 years. He's out of Louisville, Kentucky. A couple of buddies of mine down in Tennessee are the ones that actually bought this car for me. But great history. So yes, this car's been restored for 22 years. He has had this car on 3 different stretches of Route 66. Had this car at the Woodward Dream Cruise. Said it's just always been a great car. Matter of fact, gave me his contact information so that whoever buys the car, his contact info is going to go with it. Couple little blemishes. Again, it is an older resto, but very, very well maintained. You can tell, just a little spray wax there, guys. You can tell this guy loved his car. They definitely replaced the bumpers. I know the interior was all redone. They definitely rebuilt the engine. He said they stepped up the cam on the car. Beautiful color combo. Glass is nice. The fit and finish is excellent on the car. I am a huge fan of white interiors on these cars. You're driving these cars in the summertime, and it would just absolutely amaze you how much cooler the interior of that car will be being white. Power rear antenna, it works. Pretty car, man. It's just a little wax or something, little fingerprints or something got on there. Good, solid, straight body. Like I say, the paint is really slick. It's hard to believe it's 20 years old. The car is nice and straight down the sides. We just put brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Those are brand spanking new. They only have a couple of miles on them. Of course, it's got the correct SS rallies. It's got a good sounding H-pipe dual exhaust system on it. Look how flat that car is down the sides. I think he said it's got all the original body panels on it. And like he said, it's just always been a great car. Car sits good. Like I say, really runs and drives out real good. Of course, it's got the front disc brakes. A lot of the trim on this car is actually original. Again, it does have the matching numbers, 396 engine in it. It's got a Demon 4-barrel Edelbrock intake. They have stepped up the cam in it. Aluminum radiator, power steering, power front disc brakes, got factory air. We actually just charge the air so the air blows nice and cold. 400 turbohydramatic transmission. That's just a good, honest car right there. You can see it's still got, the tires are so new, they still got a little bit of that blue tint on the white letters. It's got the 23 NSRA safety inspection. Beautiful color combo, man. Again, I think the mirrors and the door handle, like I say, a lot of this trim is actually original. Door seams are nice and clean. They've definitely redone the interior. I love the Parchment. Bucket seats, got the sport wheel. I've ordered the new it looks like to me somebody tried to clean these gauges and there's a little etching on it. It's showing 34,000 miles. I've actually ordered the new plastic for the gauges. Padded dash, sports steering wheel. It's got some Pro Comp gauges underneath, Retrosounds radio. But I've ordered the new plastic for the gauges. I think somebody tried to clean them, and that's not easy to do. If you use the wrong stuff, it'll do that. 12-bolt 331 rear end. I think it said 400 turbohydramatic transmission. Jack with spares here in the trunk. You can see all the lines are nice and clean. It's just a nice, nice car. Let me see here. Hits the road nice and tight. It's just a good car. Get my finger out of here. Sorry guys, I'll be doing this with gloves. 12-bolt rear end, 331 gear. Get good sounding dual exhaust system on it. See, those door seams are nice and clean. And it's got the bucket seats. You can definitely tell these have all been redone, repadded. Retrosounds radio. Factory center console. Let's get the dual chrome mirrors. Car sounds real good. Nice little cam load to it. Nathan said the heat and air both work. Get the heat on yesterday. Rolled it back from the tire shop. Great sound, man. Nice little cam in it. Fuel gauge, all that stuff, like I say, that stuff in there works. I don't think the clock does. The aftermarket gauges underneath all work. Doors open nice, close nice. Again, fit and finish is really nice on the car. Nice little low for that cam. Oh, see the power antenna? Just turned it on. Power antenna works. Good old pressure. All your gauges down there work. It's got a couple of your original T3 headlights there too. It's just a good car right there, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is to our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That is a good looking car right there.